Hi guys, I've installed Glade, so sudo pacman -s Glade, and we need to decide which way to go with our project ArcoLinux. And maybe it's a good thing to start every video with the status we're in, sudo python, because otherwise I won't remember in 3 years time. So we have just done this one, install ArcoLinux keys. So it's basically a local sudo pacman -u, and that's it. Pacman.conf has not been changed. The idea is what to do, right? What to do. What are the possibilities? GTK window, GTK off-screen window, dialogues, about dialogues, file chooser dialog. So this is basically the list of the things you can have. Then you have the containers. So we've made boxes already. We have used grids. So I would like to use the same approach as used on the ArcoLinux Tweak tool. We have in software we have it differently with horizontal tabs and vertical tabs. And I do have the feeling that with vertical tabs you can go a long way, right? So we can add more stuff to the app if we wanted to. So these are all things that can be added. We can have a button, we can have an entry to type something, to search something, a spin button, toggle button, checkboxes, radio buttons. So it's all a little bit different. So you can drag to this thing and you can see what it is. Just to know what you can play with, that's already enough, I think, for me anyway. A switch on and off. So, well, I did not do that. Up like this. So GTK switch on and off. So you can play and see a little bit already what's happening. Is it this one that I want, the GTK switch stack switcher? I don't know, don't recall really. Add widgets here, add widgets top level, and so on. We're not going to use it, right? I'm not going to use Glade, but it gives us an overview, right? It gives us an idea of the things you can have. A GTK stack site bar, there's this guy. So let's delete a little bit. Right, GTK stack bar, and then I have to do probably some other things in here to actually see where the children and so on. Right, but we're also gonna have a look at scale here, scroll bar, scale button. If it is not in here, and that's the point I want to make, if it's not in here, it's just not there. It's not possible. We've got a label, we've got an image, text view, tree view, all kinds of things that maybe at some point in time you want to have, right? I want to have a menu, yeah. I don't know. Now that's one thing. So, and then there's the internet, close without saving. And like I said, oops, Control T. Oh, T, Eric. Sudo pacman -remove Glade, or an S Glade if it needs something more than just Glade. Let's see. No, just Glade. So Glade is out. What is in then? I don't know. Anything is in. I don't know what search we should do, but it's GTK3, and we're interested in all the containers, for example, or let's see what we get. There must be a page somewhere so we can see what's possible. The word, we need the technical word, right? GTK examples. I want to see what other possibilities graphically. Getting started, demo, examples, maybe db.org. no. Online, please. Let's give me a few minutes to find something. You have it too, and otherwise you keep looking. Found the word. Widget gallery. That was something that helped me. GTK3 widgets gallery, and the 3.0 to 4.0. That's a label, Excel label, spinner, status bar, level bar, progress bar. Let's see if there's something in there that I would like to have. A button, we've done that. Check button, toggle button, in and out. menu button. Oh, yeah, I could do that too. Unlock, color button, on and off. This is what I like to do. Combo or combo text, where I'd like to make something drop down for, you want to build ArcoLinux XL, click build, ArcoLinux XS, click build, ArcoLinux, and so on, right? Combo box, pretty long combo box, 38 ISOs, and then just click and the thing does its work, and you've got yourself a new ArcoLinux B Plasma, right? Just out of the box. Entries, search, scrolled window. So these are called containers. I need to learn the words as well. Entries and buttons and widgets, and it's actually a good page to keep around for later. Have this folder later. Never look at it. That's how it is, right? We call it rest in Flemish. So the rest. A big folder. So this could be the stack and the stack switcher, right? Stack switcher. But well, I'd rather wanted to have a vertical one, because horizontal, there's not so much place, right? It's so quickly filled up. And there's the places sidebar, Windows. So this is possible. That's an interesting video, of course. What do you want to do? What are the Lego blocks I can play with in GTK? These are your Lego blocks. Okay, but like I said, I think I've made my decision, more or less. And then we can go play. All right, cheers.